should be able to see better here. Wow, they really are like pumping this stock though. If you look at it. Excuse me. Let's see Twitter. We want to look at PLTR. Look at the volume on that today. That, what was that, yesterday? Sheesh. It could happen. Like a nice little solid bounce back and then boom. Yeah, I'm going with Palantir, man. That's definitely a stock that I really like, and what they do is just amazing. I'm definitely gonna go with that. Yeah, like look at the volume is insane. I was reading something that it like kind of tripled. Hey, what's going on, man? I'm actually looking into Palantir, bro. Like it's at a very good price point. It's another stock that's being pumped by GameStop. Doesn't mean that it's gonna go up, but I myself, I actually really like this stock. I like what they do as a company. They have a lot of government like contracts and stuff, so it's like secured money sort of for them. Even though they stated a loss for Q4, but regardless, like this company hasn't been this priced in a while. I don't know why analysts say only 13% are saying to buy. I think the stock is great. Like the company itself is great. It's weird. But now, like, Wallstreetbets is taking this and pumping it. I think everybody went through this loss yesterday too. Not that deep, but yeah. $26,000 loss. See what happens. See what's going on over here. The daily discussion. Did you guys hear about CCIV too? CCIV did really well. Like, like this thing is getting pumped. That's insane. And this is about to take off. feeds go, it was. Damn. People are losing money. It's just crazy. But Palantir, man, that's gonna be that new one. I don't know why it's losing so much. I mean, it's still up 40% since, right? 40? Yeah, 43% since inception. But man, what we can see. That's crazy. This guy started with $3,000 in December, and look at him now, 52,000. That's crazy. At $26, this guy's hurting. I don't know. What are you guys investing in? This is actually another one that I found. USWS. This is one that I think can pop off later on. It's a fracking company, but they're using electric frackers. Matty R, the pound to dollar has tanked my whole portfolio over the last 2 weeks since the majority of my money on Yank market. Do I just hold these for the pounds to fall in value before selling anything? Man, Matty, I can't tell you what to do, but in my opinion, what I do is I just hold. I don't let like a 10% loss just dictate whether I'm gonna sell everything or anything like that. Just because it can happen, right? Corrections happen all the time. But if you're invested in good stocks, solid stocks, like I have some, good base stocks, then you shouldn't have to worry about those 10% losses or 15% losses. Those are always buying opportunities, in my opinion, man. But it's tough to see that, right? It's tough to see 10% losses and all that stuff. Kim, I've been investing in Palantir since it was like $10. So it's, I mean, right now I think it's still a pretty good price point in my opinion. Like, am I gonna buy more? Yes. I'm trying to see if this right here, it's consolidating here a little bit, like 24, 25. It's trying to pick back up. Once it probably reaches like a little bit higher, maybe I'll buy a little bit more, because I do like Palantir. I like the company itself. I like what they do. A lot of people don't like them because they have like a different type of business, but I really think they, in the future, like 5-10 years down the line, like this is going to be a company that we need. Analytics is a very important thing that we need to our lives. So yeah, I will buy more if that's what you're asking me. Are you in at all? And Maddie, what are you holding too? I hope you have like some good stocks and not like GameStop or something. Bradley, what's going on? Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. Palantir, bro, is just the future. Like they do so many things that we're not really doing right now. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's a good company. It's Microsoft Excel on steroids. I like that. That's what's up. Yeah, their analytics game is beyond what anybody can comprehend right now. Nice. Okay. 815 shares. That's what's up. So, I mean, you're down obviously a little bit, but still, it's still a very good company. Like that little $2 loss per share is not scary in the gist of things, right? And Maddie, you're on Amazon. Okay, good. Well, obviously, Amazon's one of the best companies. They are gonna fluctuate way more than everything else, but still, this whole week, we're almost going on, what, like 6 days, almost like a week and a half. Feels like a month though, of this downfall. Losing a lot, man. My boy Bradley with the, oh my god, $1.99. Oh wait, that's £1.99. Dude, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thank you so much for supporting the chat, man. Shit, it helps the stream a lot. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. You are the man. The man. Thank you, brother. That $1.99 is gonna go to what is it? To Palantir, bro. Promise. Yeah, 10% less is nothing. Yeah, as long as you are also up, right? Because most of these like percentage losses are still on stocks that are up. If that makes sense. My boy Omar, do you recommend any stocks now at any dips other than Palantir? Besides all the other like big stocks that I'm looking at. So let's look. My portfolio is a little down, so sorry about that. But Neo, in my opinion, space. I really do like space too. Like I really like space, and it's a little down. I mean, obviously not too much. I think their highest during the week was 56. Still up for the month, but I think this company is doing like futuristic things. That's what I like to look at. So them, Apple is always a good one. Always a good base stock in my opinion. And if you don't have any ETFs, ARK is a good one. ARKK. That's something that's gonna diversify your portfolio a little bit. Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Taiwan Semiconductor, 10,000 euros. It's a lot of money, Maddie. But you'll be good. Those are stocks that are very good. I don't know about Taiwan Semiconductor. That one's cool. What's the ticker on that? But yeah, Omar, there's a lot. Look, even Tesla. I know there's this one big dude. I don't know if you guys ever met him. His name is Meet Kevin on YouTube. He loves Tesla, and he says that anything below 800 for Tesla is a good buy. Obviously, it's an $800 stock, but you can put $100 towards it, and work your way from there. But I think below 800, I agree with his stand on that, on like buying it below 800. TSM. Let's see. Okay. Engages in the manufacturers of sales of integrated circuits and wafer semiconductor devices. Its chips are used in personal computers. Oh, so it's like another Nvidia type. Jeez, oh, look at this, bro. That's wow, Maddie. You might, wow. You might have just made me find another crazy stock. Thank you so much, bro. Appreciate that. Let me check something real quick. Kim, in my opinion, yes, Palantir is a good price. I mean, doesn't mean that it's gonna go up or down right now, but it's definitely way better than like the 35s and all that stuff that it was before. Omar says, yeah, I watched his YouTube. He made a lot of money from Tesla. I wanted to buy it when it was 400 last summer, but I didn't. Damn, that sucks, Omar. Kim, there's always a possibility that it can go down, right? That's the only problem. And if you guys haven't done so, please make sure that you hit that like button. It helps out a lot. I mean, Bradley went overboard and he donated £2, which is a lot of money, man. Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate that. Oh, nice, Kim. You're Russian? Oh, you're joining us from Russia. Where's everybody else? Well, I know you guys. Bradley had pounds, so I'm assuming UK. Maddie also talks about pounds, so he's in the UK. Wow, we got Russia and the UK. Strong. Thank you guys for joining, man. I appreciate that. Why is it not? What is this? UK. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Nice. Okay. My boy. Okay. Okay, Brooke from Louisiana. Okay, we're in the States. I'm in Jersey. Nice to have you here, man. Thank you for joining. Kim, yes, for Palantir. It can, I mean, it's still down. So it can probably go up, but like if you, this is what I wait for usually. If it's on a downtrend like this is what you wait for. Like a type of sideways and then it starts picking up. That's what I try to wait for. Doesn't mean that it's gonna go up, but Bradley says Palantir accessible market is currently at 119 billion. In 2025 will be 250 billion. That's what they're projecting. Okay, they currently only have less than 1% of market share. That's crazy. If they capture even 20% of the market in 5 years, it's a 300x. Omar from Dubai. That's nice. That's what's up. Thanks for the info, Bradley. That's what's up. Like, I definitely agree, man. Like Palantir for me is a base stock that everyone should have, but that's just my opinion. Obviously, don't let me persuade you into thinking that's the best stock. Just make sure you do your research too. But for sure, I really do like them. Like I said, I've been buying them since they IPO'd last year, like around here. Most of my holdings are in my Vanguard account, my Roth IRA. So yeah, this is what I don't understand. How is it only 13% of analysts are saying that? Hey Bradley, that's what a lot of people said with Bitcoin, right? A lot of people were like, "Oh, Bitcoin," when it was like 50 cents. It's good to have dreams. We'll see what happens, man. But this, man, Taiwan Semiconductor. I want to save this. So Kim says, just in 5-6 January, I want to buy. I'm not sure what you mean, but did offer and I can't buy. am right now. Maddie R. Maddie R. Glory to the Queen. The UK, man. The UK is strong in the chat today. Thank you so much for the £2, man. I appreciate you. That helps out a lot, a lot, a lot. You guys really don't understand how much it helps out. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Nice. My boy Maddie. Glory to the Queen. And on Facebook jobs website, who don't use Palantir Tech, they say prefer skilled knowledge is. Oh wow, I didn't know that. I don't know. I really don't know. I would have to look a little bit more into that, Bradley, just because, man, like you never know. If they can get a contract with Facebook, and Facebook to me is like a great like base stock, like how we were talking about not too long ago. There's a company that has like almost zero debt, bro. Like, and they just have a bunch of cash. Yeah, Kim, you have to have a lot of patience in this game, man. Patience makes you money, in my opinion. I like this company, man. This Taiwan Semiconductor. I think it was Maddie. Maddie, thank you so much for this. You're the man. I want to see how it opens up. It's still a little bit down, but look at this graph, bro. Like, this is what I envision for Palantir as a stock. For it to go from, like, down here where we're at 25 and then go all the way up there. That's just an envision, right? It's just what I think. Man. Just numbers flying around, but if they do go in with FB, it's 100. Oh man, I mean, of course. I mean, I think that could happen with any company that literally gets a contract with Facebook. That would be insane. That would be lovely, but you know. I like that, Bradley. I've heard that line before. He says the stock market is a tool for transferring wealth from the impatient to the patient. That is very true. Very, very true. I like that. I'm gonna pin that comment. Can I pin that comment? But yeah, we gotta be patient, man. We gotta be patient with the stock market. There's no rushing it. But now with this huge dip, I definitely think there are some buying opportunities here, especially this thing. Oh my god. Oh, okay, Maddie. I knew they made chips, and I like this like technology because obviously it's the future of everything. Everything has a chip, whether it's NVIDIA or AMD, which you just spoke about. We can look at it right now, and one of my buddies, he started investing in AMD at $30. Was it $30? Like around here. Crazy. So TSM has some very good customers. The only problem that I see there, I mean, if you wanted to make it a problem, is that what if they start developing their chips by themselves? That could be a little bit of a bad thing. Do I hold Vanguard as my main asset? What do you mean? There's a lot of different like Vanguard ETFs. If that's what you mean, I do hold Vanguard ETFs like VOO, VTI, VT, those type of ETFs. I do hold them. I have a Vanguard account which has a Roth IRA, and my Roth IRA has most of those like super long-term stocks. Like most of my Palantirs there, Apple. My ETFs are there. and like other, I forget what else. And whatever I can't buy here, that's OTC over the counter. Like there's a lot of cannabis stocks that I buy there just because you can't buy them here. So yeah, I do have Vanguard as that. But yeah, but Palantir, man, I think it's not making too much movement now, but I can see it like going up. That's crazy. Like, look at these dudes. These dudes are buying Palantirs by thousands of shares. All right, let's look at this due diligence. Let's look at it together. So this is due diligence is basically, research on Palantir. I like this. Palantir's from Peter Thiel. Peter Thiel is a huge investor. Oh, let me see. So Bradley says, I'm not too clued up on Vanguard ETFs and don't understand American 401ks, etc. I hold 90% in S&P 500 though. Okay, so basically, yeah, like my stocks are also S&P 500. Obviously, it's a little bit different for you guys, but a Vanguard ETF is basically, let's say VOO, for example. VOO is a Vanguard ETF that invests in the S&P 500 companies. So, for example, most of their holdings include Apple, Microsoft, the big boys, Amazon, and all of those things. So what happens is that you can buy I think their share price is like $300 and something right now, or $300, close to there. So you pay them $300 per share, and they basically spread all of your money around in the S&P 500. That's kind of how it works. The 401k, that's a benefit that you get from a job. So for example, if I work for X company and they have a 401k, they're basically investing my money. They take out money from my paycheck to invest it in the market, and that's it. 401ks are okay. A Roth IRA is just basically a tax-friendly account because I don't want to be taxed for everything that I invest in. So that's why I use a Roth IRA. For things that I'm not, because you can't really take out money from your Roth IRA. You can borrow money from your Roth IRA. You can only take it out when you're like 56 and a half or something like that, when you retire. Okay, Maddie. I mean, but you still have some in it, right? 220 pounds. So that's still good money, no matter what. And you're diversified a little bit. Do you know which Vanguard is? Because I think there's two. But if you're talking about VOO, then I get what you're saying. Yeah. But yeah, that's the whole gist of what Vanguard is, kind of, and what the ETFs are and stuff. So instead of buying just one company, like let's say you just buy Amazon, you can buy an ETF which has Amazon, Microsoft, and you're not just dependent on one company. That's the good thing about an ETF. It balances out your portfolio a lot, in my opinion. Palantir business model products. Okay. So like Palantir basically offers system to big companies or governments. Governments is mostly what they have, which import their data into their system. Palantir doesn't send workers to the client, collect data, and analyze it. They sell platforms to go. Oh, They got two products called Gotham and Foundry. I think that's what you were talking about, right, Bradley? Maddie says Rolls Royce is on sale. I think for the UK market, it might be worth putting some money down and hope it can recover. I saw there was a big push on Rolls Royce. I really did. What was their thing? Right here. Just a week ago, it was this much. But why? I don't get what like Rolls Royce would bring. Rolls Royce is up in my top picks for this year. Oh, okay. Wait, so why Rolls Royce? Like, what are they coming out with something like great? Because this graph is scary, right? How do you go from being a $12 stock? I guess it tanked even more. This was the pandemic when it first hit, and then it hasn't recovered from then. That's crazy. My tops are Rolls Royce and National Express for the UK. Kim, I think that's what they're doing right now. They are pumping Palantir right now. Oh shit! I thought it was like the manufacturing services integrated power systems for the use of air, land, or and sea. Oh wow! The company operates its business through the following segments: civil, aerospace, power. What? Wow! Look, my ignorance is at its highest right now. I was thinking, what is the car company? I guess I know it more as a car company. I didn't know that. Thanks for letting me know, Bradley. The defense segment consists of military aero engines, naval engines, and submarines aftermarket services that... Oh, wow. Oh, look. Right there for you guys, for the London people. No wonder you guys like Rolls Royce. It's in London. That's what's up. Oh, and Bradley, I was talking about this. They got two products called Gotham and Foundry. Maybe that's what Facebook was talking about. That if you know how to use those, then maybe you can get a job there. Yeah, Maddie. I just saw that they have military contracts as well as Air Force and Navy. They were a key supplier at one point for the Afghanistan war. Wow. That's good stuff, man. I honestly, I didn't know that. That just opened up my eyes like crazy. Since that has died down from the pullout of Afghan, yeah. The second example is about Foundry. Okay, so now we know what they use. Gotham is their military product. Okay. Peter Thiel is a great supporter of Trump and funded his election campaigns. Oh wow. Also, maybe that's why they're down so much. I mean, that's just me speculating, right? It says Peter Thiel was a great supporter of Donald Trump, so their market, when he wins, he won. Obviously, Donald Trump was in the office when Palantir came out, and look, they went up, and now that Biden is back, I guess maybe that's why they're down. That could be a possibility. Bay, I'm not sure what that is, but let's see if it comes up over here. Oh, wait, I don't think I have base systems. Is that what it is? Not sure if that's what you're talking about, but let's see. I know a lot of people were asking for, like, is it gonna be pumping? But I do think that Palantir is gonna be pumping. Let's talk about the market. The whole market seems overpriced, but it isn't, to be honest. It's a low cost of capital. There is no alternative than throwing your money on stocks or on real estate. That's true. I agree. I agree with that. I think there's one of Palantir team engineers on Biden's board. Oh, thanks, Bradley. Let me know. That's good info. Palantir wanted to do IPO with Morgan Stanley. Okay. What are the risks? Okay. As Palantir competitor used to mention IBM, the boomers from IBM already surrendered their Windows 95 computers and decided to cooperate. That's messed up. Oh man. If you're still reading, I have to admit this was okay. They will be able to get government contracts, and classic arms defense industry is no match for Palantir products. The judgment of lawsuits were catalyst. Okay. Military expenditures rising worldwide. While Biden's presidency, we will see more disruptive technologies chosen by the government. Biden wants to reduce the military expenditures. Palantir's able to provide better service for lower cost. Hey man, better service for lower cost? Yep. Averill Haynes? Okay, Bradley, thanks bro. So look, they were just talking about Biden and stuff in their presidency, so. Okay. This is good. I mean, here's a passage from S1 to fully agree. The system Do you use Palantir? Me either. It's not designed for us, and we have to inform us about the success. Palantir's new contracts and their future shining bright. Okay, they settled some lawsuits, which is good. Yeah, their earnings weren't that good for Q4, but still, doesn't matter. We got 13 people in here, man. Thank you guys for joining. I appreciate all of you guys being here and having a chill conversation. Feel free to chat. I try to be as responsive as possible. I'm sure Maddie, Kim, and Bradley will tell you that I'm responsive to their messages. But yeah, I think Kim was the one asking, like, are people, is Wallstreetbets trying to pump it? In my opinion, I mean, if you have people posting all of their $200,000 worth of stocks, then yeah, I think they're trying to pump it. But I mean, it's not a bad stock. It's not like a GameStop type of thing, right? Like $211,000 on Palantir's. These are all Palantir calls. Jesus. So $40 million. What? I don't even know how to read that. That has too many numbers in there. There's no way. Somebody's gonna be liquidating their whole thing. It will be the 1 to 1.5. Yeah. This is crazy, man. Yeah, this I like this too. ARK, which was another one of the ETFs that I was telling you guys about, they just invested like 1.5 million shares on the dip for, what do you call it? For Palantir. Let me see, who are the biggest holders? 1 second. Let's see. Okay, so look at these. Look, everybody's buying more shares. If we look at this, this is from CNN Business. So, 0.72 Asset Management. They have 29 million shares. Jesus Christ, that's a lot of money. And they just bought. Oh, okay. They actually just bought this. Okay. Look, Vanguard Group. Remember I was telling you guys about VOO and investing in the S&P 500. Look at this. They just invested 19 million shares, bro. ARK bought 5.2 million shares yesterday and doubling their holdings. That's crazy. Look at this. JP Morgan also with another purchase of 18 million. They're like, everybody's, this is crazy. Look how much money people are investing into Palantir. Like, you know? Oh, they added it to both? Okay. I didn't know they added to RKK. I thought it was RKW. I saw that's the picture that I saw. But look, shares bought, everything just up, up, up. Even though the share is down, but like it's just a nice correction that the market had, I guess we'll call it, right? It's pretty bad though. Look, it went up to $43 and then went all the way down. It's gone from 52nd largest holding to 32nd to 11th in 1 week. Wow. I mean, the dip is crazy, so I can see why. And the market's about to open. We got to see where it shoots up to, man. Market's opening in 30 minutes. I'm holding on strong. Oh man, we'll see what happens. This company is also, man, Maddie, you left me thinking about this company right here. But let's focus. Look at this. I just bought the dip at 27. Turns out that wasn't the dip. So that's why I kept telling you guys, like, how I do it is basically I wait for it to, if you just see it, you know, keep going down with no signs of coming back up. Like, I don't know, like right here, this could have been a purchasing point, like, but it just keeps going down. So you can't just think, oh, you know what, just let it go up a little bit more. If it comes back to this price, to 30, then that's okay, but it's gonna go up all the way to 40s, hopefully. So I don't mind the $25 price point buying them. Even if it drops a little bit lower than that, that's fine. You would hope, right? But I'm gonna see how it opens up. I like this. There's a lot of volume on Palantir right now, so let's check Finviz. Screener, and then let's do volume. Look, Palantir is up. I knew it. Look, 313 million, bro. Oh, the Anko ONTX. Let me just check something. Sorry, guys. Was it this one? Okay, they met their earnings. All right, anyways. So yeah, look, Palantir, crazy amount of It's the highest, almost the highest traded company. I don't know about Sundial. I really don't like Sundial. What do you guys think about Sundial? Are you guys into it, or unless I mean you bought it at a pretty cheap price? What is it right now? 148. Okay, that's not too bad. But anything below 2 is pretty good, I guess. But Sundial, what AMC? It's at 551. Oh, it had a big spike, I guess. Oh, that was February spike, yeah. What else? Apple being traded a lot. What else? What else do we have here? Naked. Oh, Naked went down so much, man. Sundial can suck eggs. Yep. I mean, maybe when I looked at it, man, the company was almost like going out of business. I think they were going bankrupt or something like that. It's just it doesn't. I don't know. Doesn't make sense. But that's just me. But look, Neo's down. Neo's another one. Oh, you see it's consolidating if you look at the graphs. Well, it's gonna keep going down probably. Damn. But that's still a long-term hold for me. I love Neo. If they keep up all of their things, they can be a very good company in the future. Tyler, that's totally up to you, man. Like, I can't really answer that, but in my opinion, right now, like since we started this thing, it was like at 26 or something, and now it's going up. I don't know that it would touch 25. I'm trying to think of maybe having a resistance right here or a support, but it could break the support because this wasn't a support either. Now it seems to be consolidating and going up. I thought this was a perfect price point to buy in, even if it's 27. I mean, like I said, I can't tell the future, man. I hope that it does go up, but it's gonna be very shaky, especially like this whole week. It's been really bad. Like this whole week just keeps going down. I don't know when it's gonna stop. Tyler, are you already like invested in them at all? In Palantir? Well, we got 17 people in the chat, man. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for for being here with me and, you know, spending some time. Shout out to all of you guys that are chatting. I appreciate you guys. If you guys haven't done so, please make sure that you guys hit that like button. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. It helps out the channel a lot. And shout out to Maddie and Bradley that also gave through super chat donation £2 each. Man, thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. Maddie says Sundial is a meme. I'm assuming that's what you were trying to say, but that's not financial advice. I'm looking to swing trade it and sell it at 35. No, I've been watching for weeks. Oh, you've been watching the stock for weeks? Okay. So look, if you look at a month, right? The last time it was $26 was on January 21st. It's almost a month ago, right? So do you think it's a perfect price point for it to go bounce back up? I think so. But that's just my opinion. Look, you see this $25, $26 support. If we were to draw a line right here. Oh, nice. The cups are outside. That could be their support, and and you see it went down a little bit more, but now it's bouncing back up. Got greedy yesterday and expected it to drop more. Well, yesterday it went down to like 25, right? So, I mean, it's not too bad. That was all of yesterday is $25. And we just learned that RKW, which is ARK Investments, they just bought like a bunch of shares. But you see, look, it can keep going down. Who knows? Bradley, I agree. Oh, Palantir. Davis says, is Palantir gonna go to the moon? Bro, that's what we're hoping for. Definitely, I think Palantir is a way better company than, like, if we compare it to GameStop. Like, that's a way better company, dude. They're a really good company for what they do. Tyler, thank you so much for subbing, bro. I appreciate that. You're the man. Thank you for supporting the channel. It really does help a lot. I appreciate it. If it was going to drop to lows, yesterday was the day. That's what Bradley says. Yeah, for sure. Like that $25 resistance right there. And I just checked it. I mean, if you look at it month by month, there's a $26 support right here. And in the 3 months, I would draw the line from here to here. Or even from here. Look. Yeah, it's almost at that time. I'm done messing with meme stocks. If Wallstreetbets is taking about it, I'm running. Lost too much on BB. Yeah, Maddie, I remember. Yeah, that's the thing, right? I didn't really put like money into any of those stocks, unfortunately. I mean, I would have said maybe with like GameStop. I remember it being $30 and somebody was like, yeah, buy it, and I'm like, nah, hell no. But that's a mistake, or maybe it was just me being cautious, right? Because that's just not my investing mindset. Palantir's like GME. I'll donate 500. All right, I'll take a what is it? I'm taking a screenshot of this, a mental screenshot. Kim, don't say you're poor. What are you talking about, bro? But Maddie, yeah, man. The GameStop, like the Wall Street bets is a little bit different. Oh, Tyler just gave me Canadian $2. Woof, man. Thank you so much, bro. Man, Tyler, Bradley, Maddie, thank you guys so much for donating to the stream, man. Honestly, it really does help out a lot. Like a lot. Thank you guys so much. Wow, I'm super hyped. Thank you, boys. GME already was. A GME rise on this would give me 25 million. Damn, bro, 25 million. Jesus Christ. That's what's up. I hope so. I mean, even if it goes to like 250, like at that point, sell half of your portfolio or like your Palantir shares and just ride it out, and then you're already set like forever, basically. Damn, thank you guys, all of you guys, for donating to the chat, to the stream. Appreciate that. But I don't know, man. Do you see these $450? I think I might just have to put them into Palantir. It seems to be good. Look, now it's 27:10. We just gotta wait till we got, what is this? 22 more minutes. Kenneth says 25 mil is rookie gains. Man, my bad, Kenneth. Chapman Productions. So can you explain support more other than it won't below that? Sorry, no, that's fine, Chapman. So support is basically, man, I would have to show you like in a different setting. It's a little bit difficult. So you can draw a line of support, meaning that if you look at, let's say you look at this, just imagine a horizontal line going from here. Follow my mouse. That's a horizontal line. That's what we would call a support because it keeps bouncing off this same line and going up. So it bounces here and then it goes up, then it comes down, then it goes up, and then it comes down over here again, touching this same line of support, which is back here if you follow the mouse. So that's what it is. That's in just like simple terms is what I'm saying. So basically the support line is where it keeps bouncing off to go up, then it goes back down, then it and touches that imaginary support line again. That's what it is. Maddie says, I can send you a screenshot of my portfolio. I think chat would have a laugh at it. Nah, man, nobody's gonna laugh. Bradley, yeah. He says, chat, man, watch some videos on technical chart analysis. Yeah, it's good to learn these things because it can make you just a little bit more aware. I would definitely, if you are new to the, to the stock market and all that stuff, watching some basic videos would definitely help you out in, making way better judgment calls and stuff. Excuse me. But yeah, it's good stuff though, to learn, in my opinion. But yeah, imagine these dudes, now that we're talking about Palantir, like 2 minutes ago, 34. Tyler, you're already going on Monday morning. I mean, if we follow this trend of like just negative, I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna go into next week. I would hope it doesn't because I'm already down like 10, almost 11%. So we want it to just keep going up from this point. Like you see how it's trying to correct over here. But it's just hard to be extremely positive right now, just because I've had a really rough week. I'm gonna probably buy like half of these $450, so $225 today, and then maybe on Monday if it goes back up, then we'll see what happens. Chapman says bought Sundial 143, hit $3, forgot to dump, went back to 179. Well, at least you're still in the green, bro. My thing is, as long as you're in the green, you have profits, you're fine. Would I hold Sundial at 143? In my opinion, I don't know. Sundial, like some people said, is a meme stock. It's like one of those GameStop or AMC. So for now, right? But it does have potential, maybe. Just their financials, like if you look at this company financially, it's not the best company. In December, it was about to go bankrupt. Like, but that's just my personal opinion, right? Doesn't mean that you don't have to invest in it. But like I said, as long as you're taking profits is good, man. I made some money off of Express, which was one of the ones that was like a meme stock. There wasn't too much, but it was like $300. I'll take a $300 gain. I'm fine. It could have been like 600 at one point when it hit like almost 11 and I didn't sell, but it's fine. Still up. Still in the green. I find it hard to sell at limits. I have much greed and hands of diamond. Maddie, you are the definition of diamond hands, bro. Definition of diamond hands. Definitely on BB. My boy Kano, what's going on, chat? Rough week, but things will get better. I agree, bro. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you. How's that Florida weather, bro? Things will get better, man. The best is yet to come. So if they pump it enough, and we're pumping a good company, remember that. That's the thing. Bradley, what do you think is going to happen on Monday? It's so difficult, bro. If only we had like a time machine, bro. I always think about that. If I had a time machine, though, I would 100% go back to like 2009 and buy as many 50-cent Bitcoins as I could buy. 100%. That's what I would do. But you can't dwell on the past. Let's see, 25 days ago, 13 hours. Palantir borrow fee. Oh, borrowing fees are up. Kayla says, I bought Palantir yesterday, 270 shares at $24.98. Wow, good purchase price. For what it is right now, that's a very good purchase price. That's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know if it's going to go up or down, but 25 is a good number that I think is like a good entry point. Because I think it's worth way more, but that's just my personal opinion. Chapman, yes, exactly. That's what it is. That's exactly what a support is. All right, Bradley. We'll see. Like I said, I think once market opens in 15 minutes, I'm definitely buying probably like $250 worth. And then just, if it does go up on Monday, I'll just buy again. Because the $30 price point is still not super bad for this company. That's just my opinion. Chapman says definitely, yeah, it's all good, man. Like the lingo will come as you keep investing, and then you keep looking at people and seeing their strategies. Always try to go with whatever your due diligence is. Don't just go by what people say. Like, don't go onto YouTube and if somebody says, oh, buy Palantir Technologies, don't just buy it. Make sure you do your due diligence, which is like doing your research. That's what due diligence is. Maddie says, look to past to find the path to the future. Yeah, but past, I forgot the whole line. But the past doesn't always, like for the most part, it doesn't always mean future growth. But still, it's good to look at patterns and things like that. So I agree too. It's a good company. I think this is a very good company. X400 leverage YOLO. Damn, bro. How much do you let a stock go down before you dump it, or you don't? So my investment strategy, depending on what kind of stocks you're talking about, right? You have to go into every single position thinking, okay, am I holding long, or am I swing trading, or am I day trading, right? I'm a long-term investor. Mostly all of the shares that I buy are for long-term. It's just because I believe they're going to be good in the future, basically, right? So it all depends on what attitude you have or what type of method you have into buying these shares, right? So Palantir for me is a long-term hold. Now, let's say I was buying Sundial, which I won't, but if it went to like maybe, I don't know, but let's pretend that I bought Sundial, right? That would be like more of a swing, maybe day trade for me, because I don't know what the future holds for Sundial. Kale says, I think the fair value on Palantir is about $30, but there's a lot of higher potential. Yeah, I think so too, Kale. I agree. Chapman, what's a meme stock? Don't worry, man. You're in a safe place. You can ask all the questions you want. I'll never call you stupid, bro. It's basically like what I don't know if you've heard of Wallstreetbets. Wallstreetbets is a group on Reddit. It's a subgroup on Reddit. So what they do is they kind of pump stocks. Pumping means like they basically say, hey, go buy this. They're not really saying that, but there's people in there saying, oh, I'm buying 1,000 shares. I'm buying this shares of which GameStop. I don't know if you've heard of GameStop. GameStop was the last meme stock that just went all the way up. Like if we look at GME. So if we look at this, this is a stock that was like trading at like like $3, I think it was. Like not too long ago, it was gonna go bankrupt, and then it went all the way to what was it? $347, almost $400. I saw it at one point. So that's what a meme stock is. It's basically a stock that has memes. Like, I don't know if you guys call them memes, but I call them memes. Maddie, that's a very simplified version of it. Yeah, anything Wallstreetbets is hyping on Reddit. So, and they're hyping up Palantir, but I don't think Palantir is a meme stock because they're a well-established company. They've been out for like, they've been in business for like 15 years or something, or 12 years, something like that. Chapman, are you in the US or in the UK, or where are you? Because I can recommend brokers here in the US. But yeah, I'm in the States, bro. The United States, man. I get a lot of UK viewers, man, because you guys are what is it? I don't know. I think you guys like my stream. Oh, you're in New York? All right, that's what's up. So New York, well, the US has a lot of brokerages, right? Robinhood, a lot of people will tell you no, just because they did some sketchy things. The only reason I can't switch out of Robinhood is because my last names don't match when I try to switch out. It's just like a whole issue. So I'm just going to just leave it. But this, you have Webull. Webull is another one that's a little bit technical. They have a lot of things. E-Trade is another one. TD Ameritrade. There's a lot, man. I see a lot of people using Webull right now. And if you sign up, I think there's a link in the video. If you sign up for Webull with that link, I think you get like, I don't know if it's 4 free stocks at this point. I know you get at least 1 free stock with Webull. It's a pretty decent software or app, whatever you want to call it. And it has a lot of like the technical things that I told you about that we were talking about. So it's not too bad, man. Fidelity is another one. But yeah, the top ones right now would be Webull. I'll show you Webull in a second, so you guys can see Webull. My people from the UK. So this is Webull. So UAVs. So you can look at other things here. This is Webull, just for those of you. But yeah, all right, man. Long term is years, man. Anything more than a year is long term. Palantir. Yeah, guys. Man. Alright, how many? We got 7 minutes till the bell. 7 minutes to the bell. And then we'll see where this thing is going off to. Oh, and Webull, you can also buy in like 30 minutes early. So that's why I'm saying in 6 minutes now. That's when the clock opens. When the market opens. This is scary stuff. Let's see, we were at 313, 175. Still the same. The volume is very high for this company right now. Hopefully, I mean, it picks up. Oh man, hopefully this picks up. I like Palantir. And if it does go to $500, man, I mean, $350, I'm selling everything. Matty R says, for me, short term is a few weeks long. Long term is still, I need the money in my bank account. You never lose if you never sell. I agree, man. I agree. If I sell, I don't know. It's just, I just don't like to sell. Like, because then usually I sell and then it just shoots up. Like, it doesn't make sense. Man, but all right. We gotta see, man. We got 4 minutes, and then we're in there. Oh, we got 21 people here in the live stream. Thank you guys for joining, man. I appreciate you guys. If you guys haven't done so already, please hit that like button. It helps out the stream a lot. But what are you guys in here for? What are you guys buying? We're looking at Palantir because Palantir is that NOK Stock being pumped by Reddit, sort of, or by Wallstreetbets. But I like Palantir so much that I'm here and I'm gonna buy some. Oh man, you never lose if you never sell. It's a golden rule right there. You never lose if you never sell. That's what's up. Let me see. US. This is the other one that I'm eyeing. I want to see if it goes up. This is like a quick pump and dump, maybe, or not even. Oh man, like I wish I could find companies at this time and then just shoot them up. That would be really nice. Oh, man. GameStop. Like 0% buy ratings. Tyler says, how long are you planning on streaming for? I'm probably going to stream for another, I don't know, I would say 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Yeah, man. I gotta work too. Oh, for those of you that weren't here before, Maddie gave out, I think this pretty good company. This company makes chips for Nvidia and AMD. If you weren't here, make sure you do your due diligence before you buy anything. But look, analysts are saying 94% buy, and from what I read, seems to be a really good company. But that's just my personal opinion. That's what I'm doing. I have to do more research on it. It's a very good company. All right, Palantir. Oh, look, it's kind of coming back down, and that's because it's 8:58. Okay, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh man, Paper Z. What do you think of GME? Nah, bro. GME is sorry, but it's dead in my opinion. I don't see it doing anything. This is just the straight down. It's just going down. I don't know if they can pump it again. It would be extremely difficult, and it doesn't have the volume that it did. I don't know about GME anymore. But Palantir, that's a different story. We got one more minute, guys, and then we should be able to see some more fluctuations on this, hopefully. But yeah, let's see what they're saying. Oof. We gotta see what's going on. If Rolls-Royce recovers, does that mean I have to buy one of their cars? No. Yeah, doesn't it open at 9:30? But the bell goes off at 9. No. It does open at 9:30. But mostly everybody, you see how it just turned white? It's because I can place orders now and all that. Usually, like some brokerages give you 30 minutes prior to buy and 30 minutes after. Paper says, now I'm sad holding my 43. Hey man, like maybe it can go up. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I don't know. We see now we see some more fluctuations. So look, Palantir's up 7% today. Look, already. I told you guys that I was gonna buy it, right? I said I was gonna buy 225. Oops. That's it. I don't care if it goes up or down. Just remember, guys, this is what I'm doing. I think that the stock is at an okay price to buy, and I'm gonna dollar cost average. So I'm buying some today, and on Monday we'll see what happens. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing right now. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't go up too much. I wish I would have bought around here though. Alright, let's see. Alright, so now we started the new day trends. Oh man. Let's see what happens. Barra says, what do you think of AMC? Dead? Yeah, man. Yeah, AMC is super dead. Unfortunately, I don't see it going anywhere where it was before, like the $20 and stuff like over here. No, I don't see it. GZ on your retirement? I'm not sure what GZ stands for, bro. Sorry. Is that a UK thing? But yeah, man. So we'll see. We'll see from here. We can see what happens. So that's what I was saying. So with, I guess with Robinhood, I thought you could buy 30 minutes before, but I know with Webull you can buy early. Baron, no worries, man. No worries. It's very difficult for it to have the same momentum it had over here. Like, it hasn't happened in how many, like, the last time it was this price. Where's 18? I don't know. April 2019, long time ago. This is very hard. Analyst 0% rating. They're doing really bad. Like the company itself is doing really bad. Oh, congratulations, it's GZ. Okay, nice. Thanks, bro. Robbie says, check out HEPA. What's up with them? What happened, Robbie? Like, what do they do? You gotta tell me a little bit more. I don't like that 5-year graph. They have 12 employees. They've been meeting earnings, so that's okay. But okay, Palantir's already above 27. Okay, we're retiring, Bradley. We're retiring with Palantir, bro. That would be amazing. That would be amazing. Man, 27.10. Oh my god, bro. Just close an offering. Okay, so we'll definitely see them going down. Probably. Oh, that's probably the dip. That's why it went down. Okay, but I don't know much about them. Sorry. $8 to $12. Okay, I'll have to look at it a little bit more. Palantir, man, I don't know. Let's hope it goes back to normal prices, right? It goes back to normal prices, to like the 40s right here, or 35s. We'll say 35s. Goes back to 35s, but if it goes up to like 250, like that's where we're making the money. That's where we're putting our life savings on. No, I'm joking. Don't do that. Let's see. 313, 175. Whoa, what happened? Oh, I guess it restarted for the day. Okay. We'll see what happens then. Oh, look, GME is going up. Just kidding. Man. This is a little bit tricky because if it does this same trick right here that it went up, this is like a what? $2 gain right here, and then it shoots back down. That's not good. Let's hope that's not what's happening over here. If it is, that's a problem. Palantir Technologies. Excuse me. Let me check something out. Okay. All right. Cool. All right, let's check what Red is saying. Should be already. Check Twitter real quick. $36 minutes. I might be a couple of shares. Okay. we saw that one already. Yep, we saw this. That ARK is investing 5 million into them. That's not necessarily correct. This right here. Like, it doesn't mean that it has to go up from here. That's obviously what we want. Chapman says, when you say volume, that's the number of people trading it. Yeah, basically. Yeah, that's. Hopefully it goes up, man. So, oh man, look at this. It can go through. Yo, if it goes to the moon, Bradley, man, we're in here. We're good. But yeah, let's see. See what happens over here. I'm surrendered to Palantir. What is this? Even the software people are saying that they like this stock. Nice. Okay. Palantir is really expensive, no question about it, but you know we're expensive about Palantir. Bad decisions, being wrong is really expensive. See an Airbus 380, Microsoft's market share of cell phones. The Golden State Warriors drafting Todd Fuller over Kobe Bryant. Shorting GME is early January. And BMW, Mercedes, Lexus dismissal of Tesla. Oh. Only 10% you'll close? Okay. AMC's getting bought out. I don't know about that. Maybe. I just don't really. Even if they are, like, what are they gonna do? Look. AMC Entertainment Holdings stock falls Thursday. Yeah, no, like that's a legit a gamble if you buy AMC. That's just my opinion though. Yeah, that's true, Bradley. Imagine. I don't think they could buy it though. It's worth way too much money. Obviously, if they come together, then maybe. But yeah, man, he made my Dogecoin go up, so I'm not mad. Look, I got $1,300 in Dogecoin off of a like $220 investment. Boy, Dogecoin, man. I bought this a while ago. Did Ethereum hit 2,000? No, 2,000. No, not yet. Okay, we'll see. Palantir, baby, come on. Let me see. Let's see what Elon Musk is saying. He's not earning that hard. What the fuck? Sorry. Close minds. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. We're looking at Palantir today. What do you have in mind? What are you looking to get out of the market today? Hopefully some gains, man. Hopefully some gains. What do you mean they slowed down their stock? I know they had court yesterday. I saw a lot of memes about it. But man, I don't know, man. Just the stock market in general is going down. All we gotta do is just wait it out. We got 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, then hopefully that's when we'll see even more like a larger push, I guess, right? Yeah, let's look at this. See. Should you YOLO on Palantir? Let's read this. This should be good. I'm not going to give anyone financial advice, but I do want to point out a few things. Palantir is not a meme stock. Palantir is not a small cap that can move bigly because a bunch of oh my god, I can't even say any of these things. Palantir is a bunch of wickedly smart people building Iron Man suits for the largest, most important organizations in the world. Close Mind says, yeah. All mine was in the red. Yep. I'm still in the red now. I'm like down 10%, 12%, something like that. Many of the larger institutional investors still don't truly comprehend Palantir, and the medium term public valuation may not properly reflect the present and future value created by Palantir. Like they're very bullish on Palantir, man. I'm telling you, the people that are like engineers and things like that, they know what Palantir is. So my crystal ball says Palantir may go up, down, or sideways for longer than you can stay solvent or interested in cart memes. Regardless of the ticker, if you YOLO, please YOLO responsibly, my friends, and for the love of God, take some off the table when you're fortunate enough to have those green. Okay, I can't say all those things in here. So regardless of how the markets view the earnings report tomorrow, I'm largely holding. Oh, so the reports were actually negative. They missed on earnings. So this was prior to earnings. Holding my remaining Palantir shares, as I think Palantir is in a class of its own, lapping the competition like SpaceX and Tesla. I do have a professional advisor, and we have prepared a tax optimized divestment strategies for the number of scenarios. Okay. Why would I sell now if I believe that FANG-like growth coming over the next 10 years? Why would I sell when I think Palantir in 2021 is the Mercedes F1 in 2014 about to go on a worldwide domination? I've already responsibly taken off of the table pre-IPO, so I'm not in any rush to sell. Okay. That's my 2 cents on demo day. Okay. So long, and thanks for all the attendees. See you at the restaurant at the end of the universe, Palantir gang. Wow, man. Rockets, baby, rockets. I love rockets. That's my rockets. That's my rockets in the chat. That's my rockets. We're going to the moon, Palantir, baby. Let's go. I'm telling you, man, Palantir is a good company. It's a very good company. It's well established. Hopefully it's here for the long term. Like a 27, 24. It's already grown 2% today. I mean 8%, wow. Well, no. That's from like a while already, but from here, that's like 2% growth, yeah. 2% growth, man. GME, oof. It's rough. Let's see something real quick. Okay. Look at that, man. Palantir just quoted as the next best stock in stock pick in Yahoo. That's what Bradley says. Oh man. Let's look at that. Let's look at that. That's good news. Finally, all of the shares are unlocked too. I'll look at that research later, but that's really good, man. I'm telling you. And look, it's going up, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. If only I would have bought them with Weeble, I would have been up already. So look, we're seeing a steady spike over here. Steady spike for the morning. That's good. Remember, the morning is always usually more volatile than anything else. Let's see what happens, man. We have 8 minutes till my position goes in. Not a big position, it's not a large one, but still, as long as I can get in below $30, I think I'm okay. Just think about it. Oh man, let's do some calculations over here. Let's say 20 shares at $350. $7,000. Let's hope for $350 then. Now let me stop. we gotta be realistic over here. Man. We'll see what happens. I don't know. Shit just keeps climbing, bro. Just keeps climbing. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Man. If only the market was open like 24/7. That would be crazy. I think that would be crazy. That would be like another like cryptocurrency type we would see like fluctuations every single second. Palantir. Oh my god, bro! I think we're gonna break 28. Oh man. Oh man. All right, come on. We got what? How long? We got 6 minutes. 6 minutes till my position goes in. Imagine on Monday we wake up, it's like $100 a piece. I'm like, damn. So yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see. We gotta be patient. Kale, they see. Come on, Palantir. Yep, we're going for Palantir. We're trying to go to the moon here. Man, once it breaks, let's see. It breaks this. What is this? Already, I guess 28. 28 is that like that point, I think. Man, we'll see. We got how many minutes? We got 5 minutes. We got 5 minutes, everybody. Oh man, let's go Palantir. Okay, coming down a little bit. That's okay. Let's see if we consolidate. We started at $26 this morning, so we're already up. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh man. Okay. 27.92. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Pushing 28. Once we break 28, that's like the okay. We're gonna break out of this and go back to normal at least. Kale says feeling pretty good with a 24.98 purchase price. Okay. Yeah, I mean it's really good. That's a really good purchase price. I don't know. Maybe I should buy a call option or something on this. That would be real good. But I don't know yet. I don't know. Got 3 minutes. 3 minutes till everybody starts pumping their money into this. I don't even know if I should like cancel this. No, I shouldn't cancel it. I'm not canceling. I'm holding strong with you guys. Or like wait to see if it goes down or up. See how much the options are. Hey Yenho, you're Korean? Nice man, thanks for joining us. Wow. Oh man. Even out of the money, like if you could buy this out of the money, oof. That's crazy. Oh man. That was the resistance. 28 is the resistance. So man, Maddie. I can't believe I have to bet on my own country's economy to become weaker to see green again for the USA to do better. Oh man. All right, we got 1 minute. It's going down. Oh my god, I don't know if I should exit. My opinion says, yo, 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 I'm with you on that. Let's make it happen. Happen. What? Okay, there we go. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna have to cancel the order. Oh my god. This is nerve-wracking right now. How much time do we have? We have 5 seconds. Okay, 9:30. What the hell's going on? Ding ding ding. Dirtsburn, London. Okay. You're bugging. Yeah, what happened to my shares? Oh, I went in. Okay. So they were executed. At what price? I can't even fucking see it. All right, so 9:30. 9:30, guys. Let's go. Now we go to the moon. Now we go to the moon. Okay, no. No. We go to the moon. Let's see. So we got in at 2708. Okay. Okay, cool. Nice. Let's go. I don't mind 20s. Oh, look at this. This is pretty good. We gotta break that $28. We break that 28 and we're golden. We're going back to normal. Not necessarily, but still. All right, 2738. What are we thinking, guys? Look at this. This is going crazy. Let's see. I can't check volume yet. Okay. Palantir, baby. You gotta hit over 28. Come on. Okay. That's not good that you're going down. Okay. Tyler says I can't buy it till 9:45. Why not? What happened? What brokerage are you using? Nvidia just hit takeoff. Yeah. Nvidia. Oh. Look at Nvidia. It was so cheap before. Okay. What's going on, Palantir? People don't have diamond hands, bro. We need the diamond hands right now. AMC, Ali says AMC GME thoughts. Honestly, it's very difficult for me to say that AMC or GME are gonna recover to anything that they were like before. That's just my personal opinion. That AMC was a failing company, GME was also a failing company. It's tough to say what's gonna happen with them. Tyler says the broker app I use delayed 15 minutes. It's a Canadian app called Wealth Simple. Oh, okay. It's a Canadian app. Okay. That's okay. At least you were, 15 minutes delayed and now you're getting it at a little bit of a cheaper price. Look at that. We'll see what happens with that then. But man. Palantir, bro. It's just scary stuff. But that's why you got to do dollar cost averaging, right? So that's why I bought 225 now, and then on Monday or something like that, that's when you buy more if it goes up or down. That's how you dollar cost. Ali, no, man. So what's been going on? I mean, so far with the stocks that I've been seeing for the past week, they've been all down, like extremely down. I'm down on my portfolio like 10, 11, or 12% already. So it's going to be very difficult for them to hit, especially a company like that, for them to hit back to their last week highs. It could be possible though, but who knows? Not financial advice. It's very hard for shit, I just picked the wrong one. Yeah. It's so last week was 580. Is that what you were talking about? Or it's been down. I remember it being up here. And then it hasn't recovered since. But yeah, it's a little bit difficult to say if it's gonna go up. GME is another one that it's very difficult for it to come back. It's been on like a losing streak since beginning of February, so it's very difficult. But yeah, okay, now we're seeing a pickup on Palantir. I did. GME was $53 last week. Do I think you can have a bounce back of $13 per share? A 20% increase? I don't know. Chapman says $300 is realistic. Oh man, it's $28 and I'll be happy. That $28 is that resistance that it has. So if it breaks that, hopefully it could go back to like normal. Normal share prices. But yeah. You see, like, it's very hard to say GME can go back up. Can it? I mean, for sure. But who knows if it can or it can't. Man, I was hoping for Palantir to go up 28 right before, like. Thanks, Ali. Appreciate you, man. And best of luck to you too, man. Make sure you guys make some good trading decisions. Make sure that you guys are doing your due diligence and investing in companies that are actually like well established and like are good financially and things like that. That's just my opinion. What's the 6 minutes? I'm in NY. It's 9:38. Oh no, I was just saying till 9:45 because I might have to get off the stream in a little bit, but we'll see what happens. I'm trying to see it break 28, bro. Look, it's trying. Like, it's really like now. Oh, 27.72. Here we go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Okay. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there, guys. Let's go. Oh my god, let's go. Let's go. Let's get some rockets in the chat, bro. Let's go. Off topic. What you all think about the stock top ships? We can make magics there. I'm not sure. Oh my god, we're almost at 28. Oh, it almost broke 28. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can hit 28. Let's go to 28. There we go. 28. I saw 28.11. It broke it. Let's go. I told you guys. You see? Where's my boy Bradley at? Bradley, I know you're watching this. We hit 28. I don't care. But it hit that resistance and it's coming down. Nice. All right, Bradley. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see if we could hit another 28 hitter right here. Let's go. Let's go above it. Ah, come on. All right. Oof. It wants to go past 28 so bad and just stay at 28. That resistance is a little strong right now. All right. Oh my god. Let's see what happens. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There we go. We hit 28 again. And with that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this stream here. Thank you guys for being here. We actually predicted the $28. Bradley, let's go. You're up 2,500 already. Woof. Let's go, man. Wishing you the best of luck. To all of you guys, if you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Thank you guys for being here today. I'm trying to do this every single, like probably once, twice, or maybe 3 times a day. Not a day, sorry, per week. And then we'll see what happens, man. I really hope that it can. Oh my God, look, Palantir just took a dump, but it's fine. Man, all right. Let's hope it consolidates. It keeps going up. It hit that 28. The 28 is the resistance. So if it passes the resistance, then we could be like, okay, we're gonna make some good long-term money. Just remember to do your due diligence. None of this was financial advice. Thank you guys for being here today. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for the people that donated to the super chat, which is Bradley, Maddie, and Tyler. Appreciate you guys. Bradley, thank you so much, man. I'll be seeing you around. I'm sure you'll log on later on.